Hi everyone, hoping you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So yes guys, there is a good news for CMA student, CS student. Yes guys, for both CMA student and CS student, there is a good news that the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, you can say that has given the consent or approval of MOU between these courses, including IP Australia, Chartered Institute of Security and Investment, you can see that UK CS, Chartered Institute of Public Finance and Accountancy CIPFA UK, and Institute of Certified Management Accountant Sri Lanka, yani CMA Institute of Sri Lanka country, and Institute of Chartered Securities and Admin UK. So guys, yes, Ministry of Corporate, you can say that Cabinet approved the MOU between these courses of CMA course and CS course. Okay. So guys, apart from this, in upcoming videos, I will also bring the all the details related with these courses. What is all the detail related to IPA course? This is relevant for us CIPFA course and Institute Certified Management Accountants of India. So these what is that all the details related with these courses? I will bring such kind of now. But in this video, yes, there is a good news for all CMA students. Yes, there is a the cabinet approves the MOU between CMA student, CMA institute, CS institute with the foreign these foreign courses. Okay. Apart from this, lot many CMA students are still waiting for the, you can say, the renewal of SEMA London and ACCA with CMA institute, and hoping that institute is also working on this and soon we'll receive the good news. Apart from this, in soon upcoming videos, I will bring such kind of you can say that in the information related with the, you can say, MOU between CMA institute with the other institute. So yes, guys, finally we have received approval related to IPA course. This is relevant for us. CIPFA, this is relevant for us, and Institute of Certified Management Accountants Sri Lanka. So yes, guys, in upcoming videos, I will bring about the one by one all the video related with these courses, in which you will receive all the information related with these courses. Okay. So still you have any doubt? I'm hoping that you will get the answer. So these courses, MOU, CMA Institute and CS Institute has received the approval related with these foreign courses. Okay. So yes, we will receive not many exemptions in these courses. Okay. So in soon I will also bring such kind of, you can all the details related with these video. So from my side, that's all about in this video. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me. Bye guys.